So hello adventurers. Yeah, well, I consider this video here my entry in the cheap bike build-off challenge.
But my ambulance is running out. Yeah. This is my newest project. It's a modern, vintage, very bad, cheap made bike. But it got a handbrake, that's not bad. It doesn't have light. And of course not one of those things to attach a dynamo, so I have to come up with something. Yeah, it's not even 5 years old and are rusting everywhere. This used to be chrome. I mean, this one was standing outside for the last 30 years and yeah, got a bit of rust, but no comparison here to this one. Even, I mean, nothing. And this, and yeah, that's a new one. I changed it. That one was totally screwed up. I mean, they give you an attachment piece for lighting, the reflector on the front, and well.
So the first and biggest problem, frozen bearings. Yeah, quality.
This doesn't even fit in because this thing is totally twisted. Yeah, that's modern quality. Yeah, so far. Piece of junk.
So yeah, I've got it drivable again, and well, I consider this bike my first or second, however, when I'm finished editing this, entry to the cheap bike build-off challenge here on the interweb. Yeah, the rules are as followed. You got $150. Well, you have to get a bike and you have to make something with it and not exceed $150 in total. Well, that kind of seems easy, and yeah, here I'll cut in the video cause, well, yeah, I did reveal too much for YouTube here. There will be a second cut like this in the video later. Yeah, editing this on my computer is no fun, so yeah, the video quality is not up to what I like it to be, but I have a very old computer. It's very bugging, especially with such long video files, so well, it is what it is. Yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, just grab some snacks, a glass of beer, lean back and enjoy it. And I give back to the part where I had not to cut out music from the radio. Yeah, enjoy.
No, it's working. Ugh. Yeah, this bike doesn't have a stand. Quality. Only the best. Works. Look at this. The chrome is literally flaking off. Probably no copper layer on it. Worst quality ever. Made in China. Yeah, it's a very cheap piece of bike. But I've got an idea. Let's head to the dollar store and see how much we can pimp it. Well,
see what happens, we don't give up. Yeah, this sentence printed on everything. T-shirt, base cap, shopping bag, but please don't print it on a cigarette box. But anyways, yeah. The idea is to put a good old-fashioned battery in here and then use it as a power supply box for this bike cycle light. And now it's finished. You can open it, attach our battery, and we got a light. It doesn't fall out of its little home because it's too tall. And yeah, there it is. And to switch it off, you just use the toggle switch on the lamp. Here's the holder to attach it. So now I'm looking for the best 3-bit one. So, falling all around here. So let's see, maybe this one. Yeah, that's perfect. So I went to IKEA to get some cardboard. Yeah, IKEA. And now I'm stuffing it in here together with a bit of wood in here. So it doesn't collapse when I'm drilling. So it's better. See, that is perfect. So another little trick, it's a thin sheet, so just put a bit of pressure on it. Hole number one, so it doesn't slide around if you put a bit of pressure on it, you know, just like this, and then done.
see. Now we got it on there. Now we got to install the light. Yeah. So. Here's the light. And you can of course store something under this. And here, you switch it on. So, I want to paint this lamp, it looks ugly. So, I'm cutting a circle of cardboard to protect the lens. Nice. So, let me put this on here. And then let me mask off the rest. Beautiful. Hello. Excellent.
Ich habe ein Problem mit meinem Fahrrad.
Ja.
Ich glaube, auf dem Boden es gibt diese Flasche,
Aha.
Alkoholflasche und
Ah.
es gibt ein Loch.
Ah, so.
Ja, ich weiß es nicht, ob ich sollte die innen kaufen oder
Ach, den kann man bestimmt flicken.
ja, flicken, ja. Ja, und morgen muss ich arbeiten und dann.
Wind. Here's a little wind. So. Perfect.
So, now I went to the junkyard and got this part. It's from a broken aluminium bicycle. It was right here. So I did cut it roughly and now I will attach it exactly here. The reason is I want to be able to carry some really heavy stuff. So, now this part is also finished. I'm going to attach it, and this is where our luggage carrying thingy will attach. It's not the first time I'm building this. In fact, even back in the 90s, I had an old bike like this with one of those things, and yeah, it's strong enough so you can even sit on it. I mean, sit on another person on it.
Gravity. Whoops.
Yeah, now it's nearly finished. I like it. Looking good. Solid wood. Yeah, paint job turned out good. Yeah. Now this bike is able to carry some really heavy loads. But next, painting. So let's scrap the surface. I'm just using the wire brush here to get rid of some loose dirt and stubborn spiders and so on, and also roughing up the surface a bit so the lacquer will sink into the wood a bit better. You could use oil, but I prefer paint.
So, finished.
Yeah, after all that work, jumping on this bike was a real pleasure. Yeah, it rides quite nice now for a bike without any kind of gears. The upright seating position is quite comfortable, and you see this style a lot on European bikes. It's the classic Dutch kind of bicycle. This one is of course made in China. Yeah, who had ever thought it's made in China? With all that rust. Yeah, the Chinese chrome is really bad. They maybe forgot the copper layer under the chrome or whatever, but yeah, anyways. Yeah, now it's fit for a few miles more. And talking about a few more miles, well, with this luggage rack carrier thing I have built, it is now a more capable bicycle than it used to be. Okay, let's do the math on a piece of cereal box, because why to waste something environmentally unfriendly? So, the bike itself was 0. It was free because it was broken. Okay. We do have the box for the light. This was €1. We have the little cable thing to connect the battery. I say another €1. Then we have the paint. The white can was, I think it was like $4. The black can, was like $3.95, so let's just say $4, but I didn't use it completely up. The tape, let's say 50 cents, let's say $1 to make it easier. What was else used? Yeah, the little screw-on bracket thing. Let's say it was also $1. Yeah. Well, seems like I've gotten away very cheap. Did I forget anything? Let me look back at the video here. Paint. Oh yeah, the paint for the wood paint. I mean, I didn't buy the box new, but I used up a bit of it in the brush. Yeah, let's say $2. W paint, wood paint. So far this. And there was something else. Ah yeah, I did buy a bolt and bolt the second fork to the wood board and a large washer. So let's say this was also about $2. Let's say a screw here. That's okay. Yeah. The wood board was free. Yeah, let's put it together. 1, 2, 1, €6. Oh, it might not be the best one in the challenge, but I guess I did get away quite cheap. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed it. This thing is now so solid, it is without any effort. Well, 100 kilogram or something like this. Now it's the limit for the tires and not for the luggage rack. And yeah, it's now painted, it's solid and good to go. Good to go for the next adventure.